Violence issues most times unfortunately happen within the family.
What is the youngest age you have seen in this trade of prostitution?
This Saturday, 7:30 p.m. on Slbc Tv. On the Spot with Stella is proudly sponsored by the Anti-Corruption Commission, the National Minerals Agency, and Staco Insurance Sierra Leone.
Sierra Leone, the Lion Mountain. There's something about the green, white and blue. The one we criticize them, don't get no clue. There's something about the green, white and blue. And when we step in at the land, yes, I feel so good. People are happy, counting them blessings. We so blessed, we got the natural resources. There is no place I would rather be. Mama Salon is the place to be. Yeah. Come let me take you around the Lion Mountain to see the beauty and to see the fountains. Let me take you around the Lion Mountain to see the beauty. Welcome to a sweet, sweet, sweet salon. Any side where I go near this wall, I don't go forget salon. Welcome to a sweet, sweet, sweet salon. Any side where I go near this wall, I don't go forget salon. Yes, you're missing it, you know what you're missing. If you've never been to Sierra Leone, you don't know what you're missing. Fine, fine bitches everywhere. Fine salons in tea and baba, them they everywhere. Don't tell where we they live in peace. Even though we disagree, now we they keep the peace. So 24/7 we they enjoy. From Freetown to Kenema, oh to my Kenny we they enjoy. I say from Tokyo to Luma to Saloma to Papa Clef we enjoy. That's why me tell you say, let me take you around the Lion Mountain to see the beauty and to see the fountains. Let me take you around the Lion Mountain to see the beauty. Welcome to a sweet, sweet, sweet salon. Any side where I go near this wall, I don't go forget salon. Welcome to a sweet, sweet, sweet salon. Any side where I go near this wall, I don't go forget salon. No matter who side you come up, I dey welcome you to salon. From Europe, America, I dey welcome you to salon. From Asia around the world, welcome to salon. Welcome to salon. Lion Mountain, land of the free. Welcome to a sweet, sweet, sweet salon. Any side where I go near this wall, I don't go forget salon. Welcome to a sweet, sweet, sweet salon. Any side where I go near this wall, I don't go forget salon. I say welcome to Sierra Leone, wherever you're from. Welcome. Beautiful country, nice organic food.
Oh yeah, call me Michael the Don. It's gonna make me the sing. You be the woman where they satisfy me, yeah. And anytime I deal with you, I'm happy, girl, I'm happy, yeah. Cause they say love is blind, but I can see it in your eyes, your eyes, your eyes. Baby, that's why me I dey sing. Anytime where I deal with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. Anytime where I deal with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you.
Let me be the one to, let me be the guy to treat you like a risto. Baby girl, I used to be for the vibe too, be for the run too, be for the call too. Anywhere you want to, baby, you go die go. Baby, you're not fit to go. The peace I feel so, feeling no go lie to. Listen to me right through.
They say love is blind, but I can see it in your eyes, your eyes, your eyes. Baby, that's why me I dey sing. Anytime where I dey with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. Anytime where I dey with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. I will do anything to change my ways. Only this I love you make a bad man grace. By your love that make me to feel this way. Nobody can fit take the feelings I'm feeling for you. Cause they say love is blind, but I can see it in your eyes, your eyes, your eyes. Baby, that's why me I dey sing. Anytime where I dey with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. Anytime where I dey with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you.
Baby, you on a big side, picture on me profile. Connect with you, thanks to the most high. Beautiful woman, me and you on a past life. Man, they don't try, she never comply. Skin so brown, call you mulatto. Take you for shopping, Paris, Milano.
Anytime where I day with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you, I love it. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. Anytime where I day with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you, I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. Anytime where I day with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you, I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. Anytime where I day with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you, I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you.
If I no get money, me not so you party. You say I will like Congolese, oh no, say me not nobody. You say me something na kowata, and me salad na try carry. I make a try for change me position, so one day you go call on me, Mr. Money. No hesitate, cause I get money. I get 3 billion overseas. If you shake body, I go spray money. I said this not true story. If money not there, you not get money. They make me say for they change position. So what did they go call on me? Call on me. Call on me.
Say me I know say me best friend can be me worst enemy. Say me I know say the people where like na them go they jump for. Me mama be tell me say na poor man they can turn to butter. I no born for suffer. I go on myself and scatter the dollar. Big for you don't get money. Nigga don't get money. Salon DJ then get money. If you need money, make it call on me.
Call on me, Mr. Money. No hesitate, cause I get money. I get 3 billion overseas. You shake money, I go spray money. I said this not true story. If money not there, you don't get money. They make me say but they change position. So when they never call on me, yeah, call on me, call on me, yeah, call on me.
Put me enemies on lockdown. Give them bell out and lock mouth. Gif and G, I don't give them bench. Give them fire for fire. This life is a story. Everybody gets young. I don't make a once and not keep forcing. They must call on me.
Call on me, Mr. Money. No hesitate, cause I get money. I get 3 billion overseas. If you shake body, I go spray money. I said this not true story. If money not there, you not get money. They make me say but they change position. So one day they go call on me.
I go make you smell like dollar, oh.
Call on me.
I go play you like a baller, oh.
Call on me.
I want press you like a button, oh.
Call on me.
I want spoil you like to a routine, oh.
Call on me.
Alman on the mix.
Call on me. Call on me. Call on me. Oh.
I say all of me loving all of you, baby, cause you got the fire. Yeah. And the way you holding me, touching me, kissing me, gravity, taking me higher. Yeah. I said now you know mom can treat me right when you touch my body. Yeah. Baby, please come hold me tight. Oh yes, you're making me shiver. Oh yeah, yeah. Cause you sabi, you sabi the feeling. You sabi, you sabi the you sabi, you sabi the feeling. You sabi who sign me feeling this. Oh no. Sabi who sign me feeling this. Oh, he did. Sabi who sign me feeling this. Girl, this sweet body not confirming. I no go like girl, you hot like saying a fire. Yeah. You make her feel I'm right inside me to lump pepper. I see the sweet girl, so I can holla. And I like where you can put up on me. The way you using this your body for tease me. You they show me say now you a sabi. Cause when you hit me, girl, you hit my D spot, yeah. My D spot, yeah. Oh baby, yes you sabi, you sabi. You sabi, you sabi. Oh, you sabi, you sabi. Sabi who sign me feeling this.
Sledge on the mix. Me forever. Will you be mine? Please, baby, mine. Oh, I only see you, I don't see no other. Will you be mine? Please, baby, mine. Mine. Me want send you love letter. Me want you, na me lie. Yeah. Me not see no other girl but you. Me not see no other girl. Me want send you love letter. Me want you to be alive. Me not see no other girl but you. Me not see no other girl but you.
Girl, you get the game, you feel by FIFA. Are you fine? So I know that you fever. Happiness with the love, cause I see far. Back in the days, baby, you know me neighbor. Give me one chance for make I love you. Whisper in your ear just to keep it laughing. I'm addicted to your love, I can't do without it.
Like into mine, like an Illuminati.
Now they kiss with a guy like you and let me go. I know they kiss and tell, baby, that's for sure. You're the queen of my life, I will never let you go. Girl, you bad like Zizi.
Girl, I want you right by me forever. Will you be mine? Please, baby, mine. Oh, I only see you, I don't see no other. Will you be mine? Please, baby, mine. Mine. Me want send you love letter. Me want you, na me lie. Yeah. Me not see no other girl but you. Me not see no other girl. Me want send you love letter. Me want you, na me lie. Me not see no other girl but you. Me not see no other girl but you.
Yeah, girl, how you bad so? I like the way you cool and relax so. Turn around, baby, what you cack so? Hold up on you, girl, I bet by your swag. Louis on the bag, Gucci on the glasses. Perfume smells so sweet, Victoria's Secret. Everybody know you classic, not a secret. Since by me saga, I'm a big girl boss. Waist no flat, let's jacket. I stop be fine teen, I don't make now you a take. We find by them all and not a party bit. Girl, you bad like Sissy, give me.
Girl, I want you right by me forever. Will you be mine? Please, baby, mine. Oh, I only see you, I don't see no other. Will you be mine? Please, baby, mine. Mine. Me want send you love letter. Me want you, na me lie. Yeah. Me not see no other girl but you. Me not see no other girl. Me want send you love letter. Me want you in me life. Me not see no other girl but you. Me not see no other girl but you.
It's Bash on the beat.
Shady baby, shady baby, oh, shady baby, oh yeah, shady baby, oh. Anything you believe in, nothing gon' work for you, nothing gon' work for you. That thing where you believe in, nothing gon' work for you, nothing gon' work for you. If you believe in mathematics, it gon' work for you, it gon' work for you. If you believe in Jabajantis, it gon' work for you, it gon' work for you. If you believe in Pontomerasin, it gon' work for you, it gon' work for you. If you believe in country medicine, it gon' work for you, it gon' work for you. When you see man they cap, you get what they have open. And if he has gold, he gets a side hole. As you get to your belief, that's how myself get above. The truth be say top me. If we not believe, nobody go receive. If you believe, you go receive, you go receive. If you not believe, you not go receive, you not go believe in the sword that it go walk. Make nobody pass judgments by the other man. Now Baba God no good and I the better one. So I believe in myself, and they try me best. I go do me best. Make Papa God do the rest. Believe in myself, yeah. I go try me best. I go do me best. Make Papa God do the rest. When you see man they crack, you get what they have open. And if he has gold, you get to say all. As you get to your belief, that's how myself get above. The truth me say top me. If we not believe, nobody go receive. If you believe, you go receive, you go receive. If you not believe, you not go receive, you not go receive.
It's a hit. I am bad flow, we go make man losing seat. Find money, we go make you baby suck me meat. Ask Sam if I come, you go suck the shit. Bad man want sky, waiting go on cosign. But now me on time, me then sky next time. I go give them headline, me punchline the box spine. Senorita wine, money man, no they ask if you find. Anything what you want, I design. Big boys, no they got the line. So, my baby Cinderella, after spending, I go taking on me collar. Missionary, plus doggy, after coming, then I go ole kukada. Man, for it, give me a plus. My boy, big engine and Danny. I got 5 girls, now me DM, cause I guess she goes on my neck, real eyes, so they blink past stadion. Bitch, then go 10, a ball pass Messi. Now me, my prayers, so they always protect me, so me not see anybody will go come test me. Must to pull up in a jet ski. I don't get money, but I get God. I don't get money, but I get God. I don't get money, but I get God. I get God, me I get God. I don't get money, but I get God. I don't get money, but I get God. I don't get money, but I get God. I get God. I get God. God, God, God. I get God. God, 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 God. I get God. I get God. God, 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 God. I don't get money, but I get God. That's why your family no like us, so they won't put us for side in them more tight also. But we go fly for nap, they not go sight also. I don't get money, but I get Gonna bun jigger, Godfather. They won't put us for side in them more tight also. But we go fly for nap, they not go sight also. Let me know, give me no. Man, they want to see me down. Man, they way I call me on blood, they want see me fall. Man, they emphasize, but me life, they then give me funds. No one you just say, I beg, gonna give me God. Let me know, give me no. Man, they want to see me down. Man, they way I call me on blood, they want see me fall. Man, they emphasize, but me life, they then give me funds. No one you just say, I beg, gonna give me God. I don't get money, but I get God. I don't get money, but I get God. I don't get money, but I get God. I get God, me I get God. I don't get money, but I get God. I don't get money, but I get God. I don't get money, but I get God. I get God. I get God. I don't get money, but I get
Okay, girl, I want me a ghetto. I say no pull and pa me. Nice sabi make me sweat oh. Baby, no pull and pa me. I say no pull and pa me. No, I say no pull and pa me. No, I say no pull and pa me. Baby, no pull and pa me. I say no pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. I say no pull and pa me. No pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. Baby, but no pull up. I say no pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. I say no pull and pa me. No pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. Baby, but no pull and pa me. Oh yo, for me baby yo, no let me go. See, okay, see. Now you sabi pretty fata, I mean no more sabi pretty fata. I gotta give you good loving, pretty fata. I say no worry, baby girl, tell me what's the matter. Say wanna money, wanna night every night and day. I give you good loving every night and day. Wanna money, wanna night every night and day. I give you good loving every night and day. I say no pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. I say no pull and pa me, no pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. Baby, but no pull up. I say no pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. I say no pull and pa me. No pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. Baby, but no pull and pa me.
Girl, you love inside me. You dey burn like a fire. I go love you forever. I no go tire. If you pull and pa me, you go pinch like a plier. I for you sake make so. We dey sing like a choir. You sabi for ziggy ziggy zo, ziggy zo. Every night you dey gimme more, gimme more. You sabi for ziggy ziggy zo, ziggy zo. Every night you dey gimme more.
I say no pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. I say no pull and pa me. No pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. Baby, but no pull up. I say no pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. I say no pull and pa me. No pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. Baby, but no pull and pa me. Girl, I want me a ghetto. I say no pull and pa me. Nice sabi make me sweat oh. Baby, no pull and pa me. I say no pull and pa me. No, I say no pull and pa me. No, I say no pull and pa me. Baby, no pull and pa me. I say no pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. I say no pull and pa me. No pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. Baby, but no pull up. I say no pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. I say no pull and pa me. No pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. Baby, but no pull and pa me.
Mix. Anya banka. Anya banka. Anya banka.
Talk that shit a little bit. It's AC on this one. Big trip. Aldin, aka the Rap King. AC5 represented. West Africa, taking over.
Hanging with my niggas out of spot. You niggas puzzle, we connect the dots. Shawty love the way I hit the spot. Now I ain't coffee, shawty, you a dot. I'm with a gang, I'll be in the parking lot. Foreign whips fill up the parking spot. Roll it up, we going off the lot. Weirdo, you can't hang, you cop a lot. House party, bout to turn it up. Speakers, bangers, my shit buzzing up. AC5, the mob, we taking off. 80 of my city, we run it up. Double cover, nigga, I lean with it. Niggas hate, but ladies rock with it. Do my dance, pop and lock with it. Shorty twack it, then she drop with it. Big head up and push up on me, put your back in it. GPS to the money, put some bands on it. She super bag, I make loving on it. She make it clap, I throw some rocks on it. Why you mad? Why you hating, homie? I do the math, I calculate you, homie. You ain't ballin', why you copy, homie? For the nigga, all what you saying, I don't know you, homie. Hanging with my niggas out of spot. You niggas puzzle, we connect the dots. Shawty love the way I hit the spot. Now I ain't coffee, shawty, you a dot. I'm with a gang, I'll be in the parking lot. Foreign whips fill up the parking spot. Roll it up, we going off the lot. Weirdo, you can't hang, you cop a lot.
Diamonds on my chain. Here to seal my pain. Game money, my dream. Joy on my team. AC, we blessed. AC, we fresh. AC, we ballin'. The boy got no stress. Yeah, fucking a nigga won't fuck with me. Tell the niggas we MOBs. Papa B's MOB. Tell the niggas we VIP. This not hit song. I they killin' with the melody. We not number one. Head sorry for the jealousy. Yeah, peace and unity. Forget about the jealousy. AC, clean like the Pharisees. Superstar, living in the overseas. Number one, I can kill you with my prophecy. Why you mad? Why you hating, homie? I do this, man, I calculate you, homie. Fuck a nigga, you can never stand me. Aldin, I'm the king, representing AC5.
Hanging with my niggas out of spot. You niggas puzzle, we connect the dots. Shawty love the way I hit the spot. Now I ain't coffee, shawty, you a dot. I'm with a gang, I'll be in the parking lot. Foreign whips fill up the parking spot. Roll it up, we going off the lot. Weirdo, you can't hang, you cop a lot. Why you mad? Why you hating, homie? I do the math, I calculate you, homie. You ain't ballin', why you copy, homie? For the nigga, all what you saying, I don't know you, homie.
Like minds. Making strides, but we get we mind back home. Yeah, them my people who never leave them alone. Yeah. Anywhere we day, we love to the marrow and the bone. Sweet salon, yeah. Allegiance we go back home. Every last thing that we own, yeah. Sound body and a sound mind. Press forward, never rewind, yeah. Yeah. One stitch with it in time. Join on together, make them save nine. Good fucks with it in mind, yeah. Only whom I go call me on. You know that me sweet salute, yeah. Sound body and a sound mind. Press forward, never rewind, yeah. Yeah. Hey, Kabbalah. Straight down left, we are moving on. Say we the carry on.
get your groove on. We turning the right lights on. Train on left, we are moving on. Say we dey carry on. Everybody dance, get your groove on. We turning the right lights on. Now we go slow. So the ends of the earth will make we grow slow. Make we own light, but start make it better. Telling no lie, I'm keeping my head up high. Cause I know that turn by turn. And that they God they bless me one by one. Facing the truth after all lies gone. Counting your many blessings one by one. One by one. And I've been waiting. Got money on my mind. Contemplating. Success a part of mine. Sound body and a sound mind. Press forward, never rewind, yeah. One stitch with it in time. Join hands together, make them save nine. Good thoughts with it in mind, yeah. Only who I go call me on. You know that me sweet alone, yeah. Sound body and a sound mind. Press forward, never rewind, yeah. Kabbalah, straight down left, we are moving on. Say we dey carry on. Everybody dance, get your groove on. We turning the right lights on. Straight down left, we are moving on. Say we dey carry on. Everybody dance, get your groove on. We turning the right lights on. Now they fall down, now I tell them we turn fish. Be like a people, we're not selfish. You do that, my mission accomplished. And moving on, that's how we establish. And I've been waiting, got money on my mind, contemplating, success a part of mine. So the ends of the earth will make me grow so. Make we all let us start making better. Telling no lie, I'm keeping my head up high. I'm gonna turn by turn, and I think God they bless me one by one. Facing the truth after all lies gone. Counting your many blessings one by one. Hey, Kabbalah, Kabbalah, straight down left, we are moving on. Say we dey carry on.
Get to know want to know get. Woulda get you know want, woulda want you know get. This not a team for faith. I want put in every budget, but both self can sweat. When I touch you, they make style, you they give me stress now.
Body keep calling me, we are corporate. Baby,
I just spend, you know, want to defend me. Tell me who does that? Body placed on that. Oh, I can't fend you, you know, can't fend me. You love now, big ball nuts.
Not to let you see. Uncle to make a level packing. Don't spend like to know.
Physically, commercially. If you love me, show me personally. I tell you with the drama practically. Spell no check mathematically. You say you want love, can't they know? Want for be the queen, can't base no. Say you want cash, can't chase no. Yeah, the key, love you the most.
Baby, this should be complete. Body keep calling me, we are corporate. Baby,
Stay queen cards. I just spend, you know, want to defend me. Tell me who does that? Body placed on that. Oh, I can't fend you, you know, can't fend me. You love now, big ball nuts.
She like it up on the floor, jack it up and one beg for more. Baby banging up on me though, turn around now she want it oh. Like it up on the floor, turn around she want beg for more. Now she banging up on me though, baby not screaming out for more. I just wanna be body, I just wanna feel alright. Oh, I just wanna be body, I just wanna feel alright. Oh, she fall for nobody, she fall for nobody, yeah. She fall for nobody, listen. She fall for nobody, yeah.
Listen, never fuck a nigga for money, yo. I ain't preaching that. A man gotta hustle, you know, cause I ain't teaching that. Get it by any means, my nigga, where the kitchen at? When a bitch talk shit, she better watch who she reaching at. Homeboy say he like my style, we link up, we play like tie. We ride till the end, no bye. They can't touch me, man, that's my guy. Homeboy say he like my style, we link up, we play like tie. We ride till the end, no bye. They can't touch me, man, that's my guy.
Hey body, I just wanna feel alright. Oh, I just wanna be body, I just wanna feel alright. Oh, she fall for nobody, she fall for nobody, yeah. She fall for nobody, listen. She fall for nobody, yeah.
I'ma keep it real with you. Let me know when you come through. Hit me on my line, let me know what you won't do. Running through my mind, feeling fine, let me warn you. Body with designs, spray the money by the bundle. Honey, see me dripping all of these sauce. Funny, I be laughing all of these boys. Money, PD Massa, I did discuss. King Kong, let them know you got a queen boss. Homeboy say he like my style, we link up, we play like tie. We ride till the end, no bye. They can't touch me, man, that's my guy. Homeboy say he like my style, we link up, we play like tie. We ride till the end, no bye. They can't touch me, man, that's my guy.
Like it up on the floor, jack it up and one beg for more. Baby banging up on me though, turn around now she want it oh. Like it up on the floor, turn around she want beg for more. Now she banging up on me though, baby not screaming out for more. I just wanna be body, I just wanna feel alright. Oh, I just wanna be body, I just wanna feel alright. Oh, she fall for nobody, she fall for nobody, yeah. She fall for nobody, she fall for nobody, yeah.
The ice cream, no. And it's not good, and I mean, yeah. Girl, they want this by the ice cream, no. And it's not good, and I mean, yeah. Girl, they don't bet by the dark skin, no. See your face, see your waist. Girl, you bad like Rihanna. What's your name? What's your size? I do you good, no wahala. And I can do it forever. I can do it however. So make you give me your number, make me your lover. I'll be your everything, yeah. Baby girl, no waste time. I'll for be with you, no waste time. I like your beautiful waistline. My life I'll lay on the line for you. Baby girl, no waste time. I'll for be with you, no waste time. I like your beautiful waistline. My life I'll lay on the line for you. And it's not good, and I mean, yeah. Girl, I want this by the ice cream, no. And it's not good, and I mean, yeah. Girl, I want this by the ice cream, no. And it's not good, and I mean, yeah. Girl, they don't bet by the dark skin, no. Oh my days, oh my God, baby girl, you looking nice. Oh my days, oh my word, baby girl, you give me life. I want to take you to mama, I want to take you to Ghana, I
I want to take you to Sierra Leone. I want to take you to Gambia. I want to take you to London, take you to Dubai, take you to USA. Baby girl, no waste time. I want to be with you, no waste time. I like a beautiful waistline. My life I'll lay on the line for you. Baby girl, no waste time. I want to be with you, no waste time. I like a beautiful waistline. My life I'll lay on the line for you. And it's all good and you I mean. Yeah. Girl, I want this body ice cream. No. And it's all good and you I mean. Yeah. Girl, I want this body ice cream. No. And it's all good and you I mean. Yeah. Girl, I don't bet body dark skin. No.
So beautiful. Yeah. I'm in love with you. Yeah. Baby, oh. Yeah. Oh, baby, you captivate my heart. Oh, you captivate my heart. Believe me, girl, when I tell you, say nothing can keep us apart. Oh. Yeah. I lay my life for you. I won't lie to you. Take a shot for you. 'Cause baby, you are my queen. I keep the crown for you. I provide for you. Girl, everything you need. Everything you need, my baby. Oh, my baby, oh. Girl, I can't explain, oh. Yeah. I said the way you're making me feel is like I'm in love. I'm in love, oh, yeah, my baby, I'm in love with you. I'm in love, yeah, baby. Girl, when I tell you, say I love you, my lady. Girl, I know the lie, oh. You always on my mind, oh. Baby, your beauty, girl, is ever so divine. Fine past mommy water. Yeah, you making a bad man fall for you. Fall for you. I'm dedicated to you. Anything that you want, I will do it for you. Well, I wanna be a soldier, your number one defender. Yeah. I protect you, my beautiful baby. Oh, my baby, oh, you I can't explain, oh. 'Cause the way you making me feel is like I'm in love, oh. I'm in love, oh. I'm in love, yeah. My baby, I'm in love with you. I'm in love, oh. I'm in love, nobody else, baby. I'm in love with you. It's you, oh baby. I say I'm in love with you. Nobody else, my sweet baby, yeah. I'm in love with you. Oh, yeah. Nobody else, but I'm in love with you. My sweet baby, my butter candy, baby, that you oh, I'm in love with you. Oh no. I wanna hold what no say. I'm in love with you. Yeah, man. Talanta, baby.
If I no get money, Me not to you party. You say I walk like Congolese. Oh no, say me not nobody. You say me something na kowata. And me salad na try carry. I make a try for change me position. So one day you go call on me, Mr. Money. No hesitate, cause I get money. I get 3 billion overseas. If you shake body, I go spray money. I said this that true story. If money not there, you not get money. They make me say for they change position. So what did they go call on me? Call on me.
Call on me. Say me I know say me best friend can be me worst enemy. Say me I know say the people where like na them go they jump for. Me mama be tell me say na poor man and they can turn to butter. I'm not born for suffer. I go on myself and scatter the dollar. Big for you don't get money. Bigger down you don't get money. Salon DJ then get money. If you need money, make it call on me.
Call on me, Mr. Money. No hesitate, cause I get money. I get 3 billion overseas. You shake money, I go spray money. I said this that true story. If money not there, you don't get money. They make me say for they change position. So when they never call on me, yeah, call on me, yeah, call on me.
Put me enemies on lockdown. Give them bella then lock mouth. Gif and G, I don't give them bench. Give them fire for fire. This life is a story. Everybody gets young. I don't make a once and not keep forcing. They must call on me.
Call on me, Mr. Money. No hesitate, cause I get money. I get 3 billion overseas. If you shake body, I go spray money. I said this that true story. If money not there, you not get money. They make me say for they change position. So one day they go call on me.
I go make you smell like dollar, oh.
Call on me.
I go play you like a baller, oh.
Call on me.
I want press you like a button, oh.
Call on me.
I want spoil you like two-way routine, oh.
Call on me. Yeah.
Alman on the mix.
Call on me. Call on me. Call on me.
Feed you see I ask. Them boy, them a energy drainer. No one see my luck through. Yeah, and them a watch me business like a drone now. Allow the boy you. We young, no one see we talk. Allow the boy you. All they want, force we don't fall. Allow the boy you. Why you the bad mind me? Why you the envy? Allow the boy you. All they want, force we don't fall. Bad mind, no one see man progress. Them upset with they hear about me success. They want see man jobless. They never know say success not the mindset. Say me get all the concept. Unstoppable vision give me access. Way man cruise. They want make a me tire bus proof. Allow the boy you. We young. Then no one see we talk. Allow the boy you. All they want, force we don't fall. Allow the boy you. Why you the bad mind me? Why you the envy? Allow the boy you. All they want, force we don't fall. 365 days, 24/7 man they pray. I know say I don't get me ticket fee go heaven anyway. They no believe it how man do it. Now them go shock when get to boy do it. They want make a me heart stop beats. But them a bad mind, I swear them a witch. But me no mind them. Not the way with them and them. Me no know who send them. If they try me, I swear we go beg them. Allow the boy you. We young, no one see we talk. Allow the boy you. All they want, force we don't fall. Allow the boy you. Why you the bad mind me? Why you the envy? Allow the boy you. All they want, force we don't fall. If you see how they climb up the ladder, and you feel embrace me like your brother. You know fi bad mind me no way. Fuck who don't like me. Fuck who don't like me, no. Fuck who don't like me. Fuck
Them a watch me business like a drone now.
Allow the boy you. We young, no one see we so. Allow the boy you. All they want, first we don't fall. Allow the boy you. Why you the bad mind me? Why you the envy? Allow the boy you. All they want, first we don't fall.
Be juicy in a yaso.
Alman on the mix.
Jojo. No, it's a big girl thing.
Over yes, when a big girl stay up. We not deal with broke boy players. You know, say you no real man. You can't pay me bills, no bother come run ya. Broke boy, them me say me no one. That's why them me say me no one. Can't buy me test, me say me no one. Man, no money, no me say me no one. No time for the beta. Nobody call me if I'm no Peter. You know, say I'm only me need to clean up me body. So go and do your work as a waiter. Big girl things, the money come fast. Internationally, me a floss. In a me life, me a me own a boss. I found send all of them day, na me boss. Over yes, when a big girl stay up. We not deal with broke boy players. You know, say you no real man. You can't pay me bills, no bother come run ya. Broke boy, them me say me no one. That's why them me say me no one. Can't buy me test, me say me no one. Man, no money, no me say me no one. Why guess where if you know you a clown? We born every place in a town. You know how we get the crown. If I the money thing, then give me the pound. Why guess where if you know you a clown? We born every place in a town. You know how we get the crown. If I the money thing, then give me the pound. We bad girls, so we wrong things. People the fear shine like blame. Who get the money and things? Before you step out, you have to fix up the rain. Over yes, when a big girl stay up. We not deal with broke boy players. You know, say you no real man. You can't pay me bills, no bother come run ya. Broke boy, them me say me no one. That's why them me say me no one. Can't buy me test, me say me no one. Man, no money, no me say me no one. Over yes, when a big girl stay up. We not deal with broke boy players. You know, say you no real man. You can't pay me bills, no bother come run ya. Broke boy, them me say me no one. That's why them me say me no one. Can't buy me test, me say me no one. Man, no money, no me say me no one.
Good cheer me.
Not funny. It's a mix, so man they smoke who just for go insane. Problem not they done because every day we really complain. If you don't make an life, I wait till you get. I wake up in the morning, fresh up and brush my teeth. But the money looks so boring because nothing not there for it. So I go to me girlie Dorin. He ever push me in a tree. I know say music now me calling. One find the myself must make a hit. But you know I know how I take for it, yeah. How I survive. Why you you again blues? But can't pull me vibe. But I still mandate tower. I must make a my God in power. Go to by juju me sebe or Sarah. Before you go mara. Above this kind of day, man go they fly. Lord, I they pray for make you change this me life, yeah, we sorry. The system tough, the gun all level and no soon not funny. It's a mix, so man they smoke who just for go insane. Problem not they done because every day we they complain. If you don't make an life, I wait till you get. What till you get? If you they facing so much constraint, the way go be clear, but the gun is not the plane, not the reason.
Good.
The money looks so boring because nothing not there for it. So I go to me girlie Dorin. He ever push me in a tree. I know say music now me calling. One find the myself must make a hit. But you know I know how I take for it, yeah. How I survive. Why you again blues? But can't pull me vibe. But I still mandate tower. I must make a my God in power. Go to by juju me sebe or Sarah. Before you go mara. Above this kind of day, man go they fly. Lord, I they pray for make you change this me life, yeah, we sorry. The system tough, the gun all level and no soon not funny. It's a mix, so man they smoke, who just go insane. Problem not they done because every day we dey complain. If you don't make an life, I wait till you gain. What till you gain? If you dey facing so much constraint, the way go be clear, but the gun not the plane. Now the reason some man they think till he go insane. But up there, after the sun and go come the rain. So maintain one fine day, all to you go contain. By evil business, or they start for pattern, for make money not to fat. Now how you use your brain, so sit down, easy what you get. And the train cause the hustle on the tough pass well. The difficult nowadays for make man excel. And the Philippines I have for do man can't tell. Cause life in a cell, it just the worst like hell. Yes, you the bluff with you beef. One day myself go charm. One day myself go ride me boom 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 bam. Success in a road, watch out. I see how they come, we go marry.
Then you see me rap up.
Lord, I they pray for make you change this me life your way sorry. The systems of the gun all level and no soon not funny. This make some man they smoke who just for go insane. Problem not they done because every day we dey complain. If you don't make an life, I wait till you. Lord, I they pray for make you change this me life your way sorry. The systems of the gun all level and no soon not funny. They make some man they smoke who just for insane. Problem not they done because every day we dey complain. If you don't make an life, I wait till you gain.
Why mixing?
Set up for the big bang. Slim Mama show. All man de Congo sa make no live. We suck na Bobby. We mama no king me papa they can with Zuma. We get we sing kak Bobby. The other one no they river or cocky in we see but entire lorry. Na so them stingy and no get one ajo like say na them face they for money. You now where me mama no dey. When mommy go come at the talk. Now where me mama no dey. It's me no more. Now where me mama no dey oh. When mommy go come at the talk. Now where me mama no dey. Papa P, I don't catch you. Pops now where me mama no dey. Now so you can get all your man and where me mama knocking day. The boku send like I said me na post office when mama come me go no. Now me they get what I was panning book when it can.
Coming up this Saturday, it's On the Spot with Stella Show.
2017 report by the Child and Youth Foundation states that almost 2 in 4 girls between the ages of 12 and 18 are engaged in casual sex work.
Susan, say before you eat.
Welcome to another edition of Sierra Leone Spelling Bee, coming to you live on Slbc Tv and channel 31 on Facebook. I'm Sylvia Harding and your presenter for today. In the studio with me, I have our beautiful participants and our Beamer star, and I'll let them introduce themselves. I'll start with you. Your name, sir.
Good afternoon, viewers. My name is Faden Karim Kamala, the Beamer star for today's program.
Okay, thank you very much. What's about you? Your name, school, and the class you're in?
My name is Omar Ahmed Karan. I'm 7 years old. I'm in class 4.
Grade 4. Thank you very much. Yes, sir.
My name is Osman Dombuya. I'm attending the Tawai Kindergarten and Primary School. I'm in class 5.
Okay, thank you. How are you?
My name is David Tambakoria. I am attending Vision from Above Preparative International Academy School. I am in grade 4.
Grade 4. Thank you very much. Well, in today's edition, we will be having our live orientation as usual and our discussion program with the members of IFBAN Spelling Bee concerning the Intercontinental Spelling Bee competition. So I will say to you, my Bee Master, we start with our orientation.
Thank you very much again. Good afternoon. I'll start with you. What's your name?
My name is Umar Ishmael Kalon.
Umar Ishmael Kalon. So, are you new here?
No.
That's not your first time? Okay.
No.
This is not your first time? Okay, so I'll not be taking it easy on you. So, can you please spell the word become?
B-E-C-O-M-E, become.
Okay. Spell the word author.
A-U-T-H-O-R.
What do you spell?
Author.
Okay. Spell the word disappear.
D-I-S-P-A-R-E.
Again, you have another chance. You can spell it.
D-I-S-A-P-E-R.
No, the word disappear is spelled like D-I-S-A-P-P-E-A-R, disappear. Thank you very much. A round of applause. And also, yes, what's your name?
Is Osman Dombuya.
Usman Dumbuya. So what form are you or class are you in?
I'm in class 5.
Class 5. Okay. So Usman, your first word is governor.
Governor. G-O-V-E-R-N. Governor.
Again?
So, governor. G-O-V-E-R-N-E-R. Governor.
You have another chance.
Governor. G-O-V-E-N-E.
So anybody wants to spell governor? Nobody?
G-O-V-E-R-M-N-E-N-T.
No. So governor is spelled as G-O-V-E-R-N-O-R, governor. So your second word for today is continue.
Continue. C-O-N-T-I-N-U-E. Continue.
And that's correct. Your third word for today is fraction.
Fraction. F-R-A-C-T-I-O-N. Fraction.
Yes. What's your name?
My name is David Tambakoria.
David Tambakoria. So this is your first time, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so David, what class are you in?
Grade 4.
Grade 4. Can you please spell me the word pancake?
P-A-N-C-K-E. P-A-N-C-K-E.
You have another chance. Pancake.
P-A-N-C-A-K-E.
That's correct. Spell me the word laugh.
L-A-F-E.
Laugh.
L-A-F-E.
Sometimes the way you pronounce the word is not the way you spell the word laugh.
Laugh. L-E-F-E.
No, laugh it's spelled as L-A-U-G-H, laugh. So your last word for today is against.
Against. A-G-E-S-T-E.
Another chance.
Against. A-G-E-N-S-T.
You have another chance.
Against. A-G-E-N-C-E.
Anyone wants to spell against? Yes?
A-G-A-N-I-S-T.
No, against the spell as A-G-A-I-N-S-T. Sorry, can you please clap for them? So over to you, Sylvia.
Okay, thank you very much to our Bee Master and to our brilliant spellers. As we're now done with the orientation for this first set, as we always remind our students, they are to always pronounce a word when a word is being given to them. You pronounce the word, spell the word, and pronounce the word again. And if necessary, they ask for the meaning of the word or the word to be used in a sentence. They are all at liberty to ask for the meaning of the word and the word to be used in a sentence. It makes it easier for them to be able to spell words. And it's always necessary to ask for an alternate pronouncer if they're finding it difficult for any word. So I will say to you, Mr. Bimester.
Thank you very much again. Good afternoon. So I'll start with you, my lady. What's your name?
My name is Bintu Jamilatu Dunguya.
Bintu.
Jamilatu Dunguya.
What school?
I am attending the Jotera for Memorial Friendship Secondary School.
Okay, is this your first time?
No.
This is not first time, right? Okay, so today you'll be spelling 3 words for us, and your first word is become.
Become. B-E-C-O-M-E. Become.
And that's correct. Your second word is believe.
Believe. B-E-L-I-E-V-E. Believe.
Okay. So your final word for today is terrible.
Terrible. T-E-R-E-B-L-E. Terrible.
You have another chance. You can spell it.
Terrible. T-E-H-R-E-B-L-E.
Last chance.
T-E-A-R-E-B-L-E.
Anyone wants to volunteer to spell the word? Yes?
Terrible. T-E-R-R-I-B-L-E. Terrible.
And that's correct. Thank you very much. Yes, my lady. What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Nyanjimi Hawasamai.
From what school?
The Matili International School.
International? Is this your first time?
No.
This is not your first time, right? So today you'll be spelling 3 words for us, and your first word is clothing.
Clothing. C-L-O-T-H-I-N-G. Clothing.
Okay, that's correct. And your second word is necessary.
Necessary. N-E-C-C-E-S-S-A-R-Y.
You have another chance.
N-E-C-S-S-A-R-Y.
Last chance.
N-E.
You can spell it, just calm down. Necessary.
N-E-C-E-S-S-A-R-Y.
And that's correct. Thank you very much. Yes? Mister, what's your name?
My name is Raymond Diabla. I am 10 years old. I am attending Matili International School. I'm in class 5 grade.
Class 5. So, can you please spell the word wilderness?
Wilderness. W-I-L-D-E-R-N-E-S-S. Wilderness.
Okay, that's correct. Spell the word simplicity.
Simplicity. S-Y-M-P-L-I-C-I-T-Y. Simplicity.
You have another chance.
Simplicity. S-I-M-P-L-I-C-I-T-Y. Simplicity.
Be confident. Again.
Simplicity. S-I-M-P-L-I-T-I.
Okay, simplicity is spelled as S-I-M-P-L-I-C-I-T-Y. Simplicity. And thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much to our brilliant spellers. We'll go for a short break, and when we come, we continue with our orientation. Thank you. In case you're just joining us, this is Sierra Leone Spelling Bee coming to you live on Slbc Tv and channel 31 on Facebook. So we just go straight to our orientation. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much again.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kenema. I am in class 4. I attend the Faith Gospel Nursery and Primary School. I live at 29 Charlotte Drive, Brahma.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. So I guess this is not your first time, right? Okay, so you'll be spelling for us 3 words today, and your first word is believe.
B-E.
Pronounce.
Believe.
Yes.
B-L-E.
You can spell it. Believe.
Believe.
I believe you can spell it.
Believe. B.
Anyone to spell believe? Yes, my lady.
B-E-L-I-E-V-E.
And that's correct. So your second word for today is crazy.
Z.
Crazy. Crazy, that boy is so crazy. You can spell it. Just play it out. Crazy. Anyone to spell crazy? Okay, yes, the fair lady.
C-R-A-Z-Y.
And that's correct. Thank you very much. So your last word for today, or your final word for today, is ocean.
O-Z.
Ocean.
Ocean.
Yes.
O-S-I.
No.
O-S.
Ocean. Okay, same like okay, so spell me the word. Yeah, spell me the word chill.
Chill. T.
Chill. Yes. Chill.
S-H.
No, chill is spelled as C-H-I-L-L. So over to you, our next speller. What's your name?
My name is Arana Tukande Bangua. I am attending the Faith Gospel Nursery and Primary School. I am a Prem 6.
F6. You'll be spelling for us 3 words today, and your first word is faction.
Faction. F-A-X-T-I-O-N.
No, last chance.
Faction. F-A-C-T-I-O-N.
No, fraction is spelled as F-R-A-C-T-I-O-N. Fraction. Your second one for today is journal.
J-O-U-N.
Mind you, pronounce.
Journal.
Pronounce, yes.
J-O-U-N-R-N-A-L.
Last chance.
Journal. J-O-U-N-R-N-A-L.
Journal is spelled as Journal. And your last word or your final word for today is activity.
A-C-T-I-V-T. Activity.
Pronounce.
Activity. A-C-T-I-V-I-T-Y.
And that's correct. Thank you very much. And yes, my lady, what's your name and the school?
My name is Cynthia A. Kolka. I am attending the Faith Gospel Nursery and Primary School. I am in Prep 5.
Grade 5, and this is your first time, right?
Yes.
So spell me the word rabbit.
Rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T.
And that's correct. Your second word for today is birthday.
Birthday. birthday. Birthday.
And your final word for today is destroy.
Destroy. Destroy. DESTROY.
Wow, and that's correct. A round of applause for them. Over to you, Sylvia.
Okay, thank you very much to our brilliant spellers and to the Beemaster. As we always tell the kids, it's also a reminder when they're given a word, pronounce the word, spell the word, and pronounce the word again. And they can ask for the meaning of the word or the word to be used in a sentence. We're repeatedly telling them so they will get used to these words for the B-days. So we'll continue with our orientation. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, young ladies. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So what's your name and your school?
My name is Sula. I am attending the Wonder Kids Model School.
So what class are you in?
I'm in class 2.
You're in class 2. Okay, so you're spelling for us 3 words and your first word is moon.
M-O-O-N. Moon.
When you spell pronounce the roots to the B. Moon.
Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon.
And that's correct. So your second word for today is snow.
No.
Snow. Snow. Can I spell that? Okay, snow is spelled as S-N-O, there is no. And your final word for today is wet.
Wet. W-E-N-T. Wet.
Not went. Wet.
Wet. W-E-T. Wet.
That's correct. So over to you, my lady. What's your name and what school?
My name is Sierra Leone. I am in grade 3. I'm attending Victory Primary School.
Victory Primary, you prep 3, right? Is this your first time?
Yes.
Okay. This is your first time, right? So spell me the word center.
Center. S.
Center. Okay, center is spelled as C-E-N-T-E-R, center. And your second word for today is leg.
Leg. L-E-G. Leg.
Okay, that's correct. And your final word for today is once.
Once.
Once. Anyone to spell once? Yes.
Once what, please?
Once.
Once. O-N-C.
And that's correct. Thank you very much, my lady. So what's your name and what school are you from?
My name is Chris Aisata Fufana. I am attending the Faith Gospel Nursery and Primary School. I am in grade 6.
Is this your first time?
No.
Okay, this is your second time, right?
Yes.
So spell me the word zebra.
Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A.
How do you spell?
Zebra.
And that's correct. Spell me the word before.
B-E-F-O.
Pronounce, spell
Before.
pronounce.
B-E-F-O-R-E.
Okay, the same proper. So spell the word pancake.
Pancake. P-A-N-C-A-K-E.
And that's correct. Thank you very much. Can you please give them a round of applause? So over to you, Cynthia.
Okay, thank you very much, our Beemaster, and to our brilliant spellers. And registration is still ongoing for the inter-private school spelling bee and for the inter-school spelling bee competition. You can still register your child, school, or your word for the competition, as it helps these kids greatly participating in competitions like this. So we'll continue with our orientation. What's your name and what school are you attending and what form are you in?
My name is Joseph Bassett, and I'm attending Fleming High School.
What form are you in?
I'm in J1.
JSS 1, okay. We'll just continue with our orientation. Your first word is that right. That's right.
That's right.
That's right. The word is diatribe.
Diatribe.
Yeah.
D-I-A-T-R-I-B-E.
What did you spell?
Diatribe.
Okay, I'm reminding you again, you pronounce the word, spell the word, and pronounce the word again. Your final word is Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit. F-A-L-A-N-I-T-E.
Okay, what is spelled as Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit. Thank you very much. Yes, your name, school, and form you're in.
My name is Imam Bangua. I'm attending the Faith Gospel Junior Secondary School. I am in JSS 2.
JSS 2. Your first word is hydrotherapy.
What?
Hydrotherapy. Hydrotherapy.
HYDRODARPHIN.
The word is spelled as HYDROTHERAPY. Hydrotherapy. Your final word is atmospherium.
What?
Atmospherium. Atmospherium.
HEARTMOS.
It doesn't even start with an H. It's atmospherium.
Okay.
Atmosphere. Atmospherium.
EARTMOS.
You don't spell a word because you want to say something. It is atmospherium. It doesn't even start with an E. Atmospherium. Atmospherium. Yeah. So anyways, the word is spelled as ATMOSPHERIUM. Atmospherium. Yes, my lady, your name, school, and the form you're in.
My name is Princess S. Live. I am attending the Faith Gospel Nursery and Primary School. I am in JSS 1.
JSS 1. Your first word is alliteration.
Alliteration. ALITRATION. Alliteration.
You are very close. The word is spelled as ALLITERATION. Alliteration. Your final word is let's say xanthosis. Xanthosis.
Yeah.
Z-A-N-T-O. It doesn't start with a Z. Some words are not spelled the way they are pronounced. Xanthosis.
S-A-N-T-H-O-T-E-S.
Okay, thank you very much. The word is spelled as Xanthosis. Thank you very much. As we always tell the spellers, or what is not spelled the way they are pronounced, you listen to the pronunciation. That is why we always advise them to go in search of words. You search for words and also search for their pronunciation, because a word is not, most words are not spelled the way they are pronounced. Like xanthosis. When I say xanthosis, we start with C. It doesn't have a C. It starts with X. Xanthosis. Xanthosis. Okay, we now have our other set of spellers. Yes, sir. Your name, school, and the form you're in.
My name is Alison Masai. I'm attending the St. Edward Secondary School. I'm in J2.
JSS 2. Your first word is conical. Conical.
C-O-R-R. Conical.
Yeah.
C-O-R-R-O-N-E-Q-K-O.
Wow, you really need to study more. As I see, you are just spelling. Well, not just the spell for me for spell's sake. It is conical. The word is spelled as C-H-O-C-H-R-O, N-I-C-L-E, conical. Yes, sir. Your name, school, and the form you're in.
My name is Aaron Dumbuya. I'm in JSS 2. I'm attending the Sierra Leone Broadcasting School.
Okay, thank you very much. Your word is spritz.
Spritz.
Yeah.
S-P-R-I-T-E. Spritz.
That's right. Spritz.
S-P-R-I-T-Z. Sprit.
What is spelled out SPRITZ? Yes, sir. What's your name? What school are you attending, and what form are you in?
My name is Lashwana Bitawani. I am attending the St. Elwood Secondary School. I am in JSS2.
JSS2. Okay. Your word is extraterritorial.
EXTR.
So pronounce the word.
Extra. Say it again.
So you just wanted to spell extraterritorial.
Extraterritorial.
Yeah.
EXTRATEROTIAL.
The word is spelled as EXTRATERRITORALIAL. Sorry. Okay. Thank you very much. And as I said earlier, they need to go in search of words for their pronunciation, the meaning of the word, and the words you use in sentence. Because it looks like they are just spelling for us because of spell sake. Because that's what I was saying. So going in search of words, it will really help them. So we now have only one speller, and after this one we go straight to our discussion program. Okay, my lady, what's your name, what school are you attending, and what form are you in?
I'm Fatu Sise, and I'm attending the Methodist Girls High School.
Methodist Girls High School. What form are you in?
I'm in SS2.
SS2. Your first word is xylophone.
What?
Xylophone.
Xylophone.
Yeah.
XY.
Yeah.
LO.
Yeah.
PHONE.
Where did you spell?
Xylophone.
And that is correct. That was good. Let me give you another word. Your final word is perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah.
PARFAIT. Perfect.
Okay, thank you very much. That was good. We'll go for a short break, and when we come, we continue with our discussion program. Thank you. Okay. In case you're just joining us, this is Sierra Leone Spelling Bee coming to you live on Slbc TV. So we now have just one participant for the French Spelling Bee. So I will say to you, sir.
Ok. Je m'appelle Monsieur Bamboura. L'orientation continuera aujourd'hui, samedi le 28 septembre 2024. Nous sommes en direct à SLBC pour le programme Épermois. Contactez-nous sur Orange à 075 06 87 33 ou bien sur QCell à 031 18 88 66. Pour élargir la compétence linguistique, la langue française est intégrée dans le programme. Alors, il y a avec moi à la télévision un participant. Comment tu t'appelles?
Moi, je m'appelle Raymond Blanc.
Quelle école tu fréquentes?
Je fréquente Mathias International School.
Quel âge? 10 ans, 10 ans, 12 ans?
10 ans.
10 ans. Très bien. Tu as seulement 2 mots pour épeler pour moi. Épelle-moi la gomme.
La gomme. L-A, la gomme. G-O-2-M-E.
Deuxième E. Très bien. Le livre.
Le livre. L-E, le livre. L-I-V-R-E.
Très bien, très bien, très bien. Applaudissez, applaudissez, applaudissez. Donc, Mademoiselle.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm lost. I'll be the skip French class. Okay, as we all know, when we do discussion, we do an interview. Now we can discuss concerning the intercontinental spelling bee competition and how prepared the students that don't be for the competition, for the intercontinental spelling bee competition. So I will start with you. You introduce yourself, even though you know the name and usual name, but while you tell me small bits concerning the competition intercontinental, how prepared how not prepare for this competition. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, viewers. We are well prepared. We don't prepare. The only thing is, as usual, the funding we not able to get to date. We're not able to get the adequate amount we for carry at least 3 Peking go Dubai. Just imagine, so shameful. Other African countries that they can up to 20 Peking them, we 30 they would they struggle for make we go carry 3 Peking go, or at most 5 Peking and go Dubai. The competition are this week, coming week. So the Peking don't study. Obviously, una just imagine 2022 we carry 1 great Peking go, 9 go count for us. So what about if we carry up to 5 Peking them? So the Peking don't study, they don't ready, they don't prepare. We saved already, we don't prepare, and as soon as every week we prepare more Peking them. So all we need now is now the registration fees. What we need about $7,500. At least that they go do for register we all and do we visa. We they call Sierra Leoneans there, we they call the government, we they call different offices there, because not one hand bag rules not the shake. If we all come together, it's about Sierra Leone. It's not about Isata Adin or individual. One thing one want make the government always take into consideration, or make all Sierra Leoneans know, is that where international bodies then they measure how to give funds for a particular, especially for girl child empowerment, be gender empowerment, it be education, it be for leaving no one behind identity, and then they take measure. So we they beg that the government, different people and stakeholders, them schools themselves look like Dubai. Most of these schools that they sponsor people them, even South Africa, schools that they sponsor with a big una, especially schools that were in a member of ICBAI with a big una, whatever little, nothing not too small, and una go see una win a street, because by all costs, by God in power, we know they sit down, we begin tell story, we don't tire for tell story, and tire for big na with a big una, we go there out there, where you see we not feel say now for just personal needs or personal wants, whatever little can go. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much, Mrs. Hardy. People want to know how will they come about for getting picking there, how will they go represent Salone at international level. Now pick on they pick them and schools down and they go and just say, okay, we'll give you our best spellers them. Tell people them how will they come about for getting
we obviously they organize competitions. As at now, I believe say you would already public notice out. We get the district spelling bee, district, regional and national, and immediately where we come after the where we don't go beat, we don't get the trophy and everything at Dubai. As we can, so we get the district spelling bee, Western Urban spelling bee. When the picking qualify at the district level, they go regional level. Regional level, it go national level. People like ask if the competition, what will they do for the district spelling bee, if not for government school no more? No, it cut across. All schools can take part. Government assisted, government school, private school, all they take part. Then we get the particular one that there you ask them participate, then qualify for going at the intercontinental, for going at the international competitions, because we got different international competitions. So anyone will participate, any school will participate at the private school and the Valentine spelling bee that picking qualify. So as from now, we organize them so that the picking their way come first, the picking their way do very well now they qualify, not to say with the hand pico. Now you say go for go defend yourself. Now you self go for go show yourself say you can do them. Like how we don't ever did one. Go.
Okay, thank you very much, Mrs. Harding. So I will go now to you, sir. So waiting the plan so far, just similar to what you asked Mrs. Harding, as a volunteer, you first introduced yourself as a volunteer of ICBAI spelling bee. What are the things that we don't do in order for you to get funds for FPR for home?
Good afternoon, once again, viewers. I'm Jones, a volunteer at the ICBAI Sierra Leone, and we all know that the intercontinental spelling bee is right around the corner, and as a nation, Sierra Leone, we were expecting as an organization to have at least 10 to 20 participants to actually represent us at this year's intercontinental spelling bee in Dubai, but unfortunately due to some circumstances we are struggling to register even three participants, and based on our analysis or what we have gathered,